In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Gmail account information with ease. Whether it's changing your profile picture, correcting your name, or updating your recovery email, keeping your Gmail account information current is essential for maintaining security and accuracy on your account. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Account Settings page. You can do this by typing myaccount.google.com directly into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Alternatively, if you are already logged into your Gmail account, you can click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page and select Manage Your Google Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to your account overview, where you can make all the necessary changes. Once you're on the Google account page, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Click on the Personal Info tab. This section houses all of your personal details, including your name, birthday, profile photo, and contact information such as your email and phone number. It's worth noting that any changes you make in this section will automatically update across all Google services that use your account. Now let's say you want to change your name. Under the Basic Info section, you'll see your current name. Click on it, and you will be guided to a new page where you can edit your first and last name. Type in the new information and click Save to confirm the change. Remember, it may take some time for the updates to reflect across all Google services, so don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. If you're looking to update your recovery email or phone number, scroll down to the Contact Info section. Click on the relevant piece of information you wish to change. For instance, to update your recovery email, click on the current email displayed and enter the new email address. Google may require you to verify this new address for security purposes, so be sure to follow any additional prompts you receive. Similarly, if you're updating your phone number, enter the new number and verify it through the text message Google will send. Updating your profile photo is also straightforward. Simply click on the current photo under the Profile section at the top of the page. You can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your existing Google Photos. Ensure your new photo meets Google's quality requirements for best results. As a final tip, while in your Google account settings, it's always a good idea to review your security settings to ensure everything is as secure as possible. Double-check your security questions, password strength, and make sure two-step verification is enabled. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your Gmail account information updated and secured in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.